Hello everyone. So here I am with Dr. Divyanshu Shukla, and he has got rank of 661. So it is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Shukla to you guys. So congratulations, dear.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
How is the experience?
Sir, it is a wonderful experience. Obviously, getting a good rank after years of hard works really means a lot.
So when you were preparing, did you think of this rank that you will be able to crack this?
Sir, actually, while I was preparing, I was very much focused over the concepts, and I just tried to apply what I have learned, and then through
Okay.
GTs. Obviously, I was not sure about rank under 1000, but somehow on the main day, on the D day, I performed, and the things went well. I'm very
Okay. So, how was your journey? What was your strategy? How did you utilize the dams to the best of your capabilities?
So actually, I got the DAMS course through the topper section. There is one achiever who is specifically for the toppers of the institute. They approach you if you are in the top 10 of your college for in the respective prof. So I got DAMS from there, and then I started. The first course that I got was NEET PG TND. Then I started giving test and and I started watching discussion related to that. And I can fairly say this from my side that the TND from DAMS is literally the best learning tool that anyone can get, or overall I
Okay.
can say that TND is the best learning tool because it basically tells you exactly what you need. The What I think the problem with all my colleagues also and all my friends was that they don't know how to exactly approach the question, and the basics of how you are approaching a question is very important, and you can learn it only from TND. This is what I think, because for a student who has a very limited time to learn everything, then to apply it, then form a particular flow chart, and then implement it, is better to directly learn it from TND, because the teachers in NAMS, specifically Srinath sir from medicine, the flow charts which he gives is extraordinary. They're like you can literally solve any question from that. So I highly prefer what I consider is TND is a best learning tool, definitely.
Right. So, basically, what was your the experience about the paper? This time the paper was tough, easy. How will you rate it?
Sir, actually, there was some. Actually, when I started paper, my experience was very bad at the center, because in the first set, actually, people usually say that if the computer switches off, your timer is like timer stops. But there was some special problem in my computer that the server was not disconnected. The screen was white, so the timer was like on. So my
Okay.
so they changed my computer. Nobody was understanding what is the real problem. So it took
Hmm.
like 13 it sir, like 13-40 minutes of mine was wasted. So for the first set, I have literally had only 28 minutes and 56 seconds. So I already panicked a lot. But I think that the hyper alert system or the sympathetic system stimulated, and somehow I just went through the whole the paper. So sir, I'm not a good person to tell that how exactly was the paper, because I gave all the paper with a lot of panic because of the initial 13-minute difference. And but eventually, when I went through like third, fourth, fifth set, I thought that the paper was easy. The question stem was long, but they have given you the key point. But there was lot of twisters. But if you have the habit of reading the questions properly, then I don't think that you would be lagging behind. This is my take on this.
Okay. So, now, dear friend, we would like to hear from you that how was your revision? Did the LRR, DVT, all these programs help in your revision, or what was your experience?
Sir, according to me, sir, revision is the key of success. This is the mantra. Matlab, you should study only that part which you can revise in last 3 months. Or what I should say that if you are studying the material which you can't revise in last 1 month, then it is of no use. And this
Hmm.
is the so you have to divide the preparation into like 6 months, 3 months, and 2 months, and last 15 days, like that. In initial 6 to 8 months, you have to compile content and make a proper content. Now you have to revise that content four, five, six times. So for that you need a very good resources. For that,
Yes.
several several things which comes into
Agree.
the play, like LRR, DVT, and then PYQs.
That's
And
very much true. What you are saying is basically that we should have developed the concepts first. Basics should be clear. When
yes,
all
sir.
these things are clear, and then based on that, we can do the revision in the end.
And
So
sir, you
for
have
that,
yes,
yeah,
sir, yes, sir. Sir,
yes,
actually, you have to prepare a proper content for one subject. That this is the amount of this is the amount of the content which I can revise in 1 or 2 days for a particular subject. This is what I'm trying to say. For a one subject, you at the end of the preparation stage, you should revise one subject in 1 or 2 days. So you have to prepare your content like that. If you and the better answer, what I would emphasize is the last 1 month, how you revise, even on the last 15 and how last 7 days. The better you revise, the better rank you will get. This is the truth, sir. This is what I feel, because eventually NEET PG is a fact-based examination. Because, sir, there are concepts, I know that, but at one stage the concepts ends. Then it is about facts, because you have to remember the formula, you have to remember the fact to apply it. So, sir, you have to like give 6-8 months in developing all the concept, but after that you have to just revise and revise and revise, and revision is a very hectic process, sir. So, sir, for that I should suggest some people, like if you have some colleague and some other person who is your best friend who is equally ambitious for the goal, then you should pair with him, and you can help revise simultaneously. Like you can tell him, and then again through that the revision process becomes easier, and you can prepare a 20th notebook as well. But it should be like your own, and it should include only that part which is important and which is being asked, not everything which you think is important. It is not like that. You have to, this is because your 20th copy and sir, actually I used to give GTs every week. So before that you should like go through it from the 20th notebook if possible. अगर नहीं हो पा रहा तो it's fine, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, जितना हो पा रहा है do that. लेकिन what I'm trying to say is कि what is the mantra of success which I feel says you have to prepare a good content in 6 to 8 months, and you have to revise it, revise it, revise it, revise it.
Yes.
And you have to keep giving GTs. Like initially in the start of the preparation, you can give GTs like one in a month, but after that you have to give, after 3-4 months you have to start giving it like 15 days, and after that in the last 3 months you have to give it like every 7 days. And no matter what, at what stage of preparation you are giving GTs, and reviewing it properly is a very important task, sir. This is what I am trying to say, sir. I have like 3-4 copies which only includes the GT mistakes. Yes, I know that I was not able to revise that, but sir, you have to review GT very properly, because GT, TNDs, and what I personally think is reviewing question is the most difficult task, but it is the most important tool for you for your learning.
So that's wonderful that you have shared your strategy, and you have shared your views, like how one should actually proceed with the concepts and how to concise and how to utilize them towards the end. And at this moment, it has been a big journey, and we are a part of your journey. We are very proud to be a part of your journey. In this journey, like there would have been various moments which maybe are coming to your mind. Would you like to share any particular teacher's thing, or maybe one particular class thing, anything which is coming to your mind right
Sir,
now?
sir, after I basically found that my dissection part was like dissection part of anatomy was not very good. Or I should, so sir, there was some particular type of question in dissection which I was able to solve, but if some dissection images come from here and there, then I was not able to make the proper orientation. So sir, I watched your dissection anatomy videos, like which you have prepared specifically, like 6, 7, 8 videos. I don't recall exactly, but there are 6, 7, 8 videos of different systems. So sir, that particular videos were very good, very, very good. And as we can see in the NEET PG, there were so many dissection images. So, sir, it really helped me. And, sir, apart from that, there are some very good faculty. Sir, Deepti ma'am, the gynae of Dr. Deepti ma'am is phenomenal. So, the way he delivered the concepts and the effortless delivery of her is like truly exceptional. Sir, radiology from Sumir Sethi, sir. Sir, Srinath, sir, from medicine is my personal favorite. It's the next level. The flow chart which she gives, psychiatry, sir, very good. Dr. Sachin Arora, sir. So there are, sir, every teacher is good. This is what I feel. But sir, the most important thing is, sir, you have to, what I'm trying to emphasize over and over again is the people. There are so many people who are working very hard, very hard, very hard. But sir, if they're not able to revise their content in last 3 months and last 1 month, then it is not of no use, and you will eventually not get a desired rank if you are not able to revise. So, sir, this is what I'm trying to say is that there are almost similar content on almost all platforms. It is just the delivery of the teacher which makes them different. So, but what for as a student perspective, what I think is you should like compile a content and you have to revise it again. This is a revision is the key of success. This is what I truly believe. And so revision is a very hectic task actually. it feels very easy to say you can revise it like one time, two times, three times, but sir, it is a very difficult task. But you have to do it because it is the key of success.
So you must be feeling now relieved, relaxed after so much of, you see, hard work, and your
Yeah.
hard work has paid off. We are very happy for you.
Thank
Okay, and it was really wonderful to know about your journey. It was wonderful to have you with us on this platform. And from our side, congratulations again and best wishes to you for your future life.
thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Mithun.